Well, guys, I didn't have the camera on, but Cody just took his first spill, but he's all good. And he wouldn't let me get the camera while he was pinned under the bike. Oh man!
I was actually laughing at you trying to get your bike, but oh, here's another. Oh, I did it again.
Yeah. See, I would have done that too. There, it just sneaks up on you, man. But anyway, he's all good. We're en route to get to our destination. Pretty good time, looks like. Hopefully.
That would have been nice to have on film to see what happened.
Yeah. Well, I can replay it back in my head in the front.
I know now, based on the 2 right-hand turns, what I did. For some reason I got on the brakes.
A little late, maybe, and
no, just
too much.
Hard.
Too much, yeah.
Too hard.
Yeah. Big rock right here, ain't it? This has definitely been one of the coolest sections so far along as off-road part of it.
There's some mud, uh-oh.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Wow. Check this valley out, man.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh, stop sign. Well, that crept up. I don't recall having that green of grass back at the house, really. Maybe we do. Sure, maybe trespass, but it's okay unless you get shot. So, this might be where that State Police. We're going that way.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah. He been in the gravel today, hasn't he? Dude, isn't it though? Look at that old farmhouse, man. You know that house has been there forever.
Look at that cabin.
Wow. It's awesome, man.
It don't look level worth a damn.
I noticed that.
You see that?
Well, I think it's the chink in this. It peels down over the side of the log. You know what I mean? Car coming. WR, no, it's a Honda. Well, that was nice.
Yeah, down just stopped in the road.
First time I ever seen anybody do that. Sure ain't gonna do it in South Carolina, are they? 100 miles an hour. Look at them canyon rocks, man. Wow. There's an American flag up there at the top.
Where?
Way up on top of that rock.
Must have missed it.
Right here.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
That is really neat. Eagle Rock's campground right down there. It's marked on the map. I guess that's Eagle Rock.
That's pretty damn cool.
Man, dude.
Somebody.
Look at there, Eagle Rock, $10 a night. Now that's not bad, and it looks like it's open. There's a sign about it. Yeah.
I feel the freezing temperature's coming.
Yeah, it's coming. As soon as it gets dark, it's over. We're dead. Smoke Hole Road, Cody. Look at this canyon, man. Wow.
Tell me if you run out of bat, I'll pick up the rest of it.
Okay.
Record this whole road.
Yeah, I agree. Look at this, man.
Oh, wow, look at that rock.
The big old rock ledge. Little place to pull in right there.
Good place to
Look at that.
Wow.
Should have put a PSBE sticker right there. So this river here is actually flowing north, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Northeast in a way, I guess. Look at here.
Wow.
Man. Woo, she getting chilly.
I can't do the visor. Cold.
It is chilly, man.
Like a heater when you shut that visor.
I know. That's some flowing water right there, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're getting down to 1,300.
Yeah. There's a few little spots where they get some sunlight in here, ain't they?
Yeah.
Man, dude. Smoke Hole Resort. It's a beautiful place here. That Smoke Hole Canyon is, come visit it. It was great. We just rolled through. DR's got gas in it now. A little low on oil, but it's got gas. Now we've had some good riding today, so look at all these little cabins, man. They're all built just alike, just about, ain't they?
He's over here.
Older, got darker, hasn't it? Oh yeah, they got, look at this. Koi in there like crazy.
So what is the story pond?
I don't know, reckon they got a pond I bet they fill that up and people feed them. You know? Well, they in there, ain't they? What is that thing?
Oh my gosh, look at that one, Peter.
Wow. What is that striped one?
There's a bunch of them.
And they staying right in there too, ain't they? That one like Finding Nemo looking thing. Yeah, look at that one. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's some nice trout in there. Man, if you hung that one, you'd get your money's worth, wouldn't you? They must not like to go up over that. Stays in there, don't they? Catch and keep trout pond. There's no minimum or maximum catch. No fishing license. It's only $3 to rent a rod. Water's just boiling with them, isn't it? Look.
That's definitely, them young ones are definitely trout.
You think so?
Look at those.
Is that like what you'd call brood stock, I guess? Watch my kid, he's gonna feed some fish here. I give him a quarter. Wow, dude. They are loving that, ain't they?
Alright, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna keep a little bit of it. And where we seen that big one.
Man, look at them, man. I'll stay out of the shadow. They're getting stirring a little now. Them big ones don't need to eat.
That's a big one. That's a rainbow there.
Wonder where the little Honda dealer is.
There's a car quest at a gas station.
Yeah.
We gotta get gas here too
before we head out.
Don't want to damn run out the snow.
That's for damn sure.
May have to put that old Pizza Hut in your phone.
Don't see it down there?
I'm assuming it's over this way, but there's a lot of people in this little
Yeah, it's a pretty good sized little town, ain't it?
Petersburg.
Yeah.
Backing in or pulling in?
Pulling in. Rough, ain't it? Alright guys, we just got to the hotel here in Petersburg, West Virginia. And this is what it looks like. Got Cody's bike. I know it's dark. Been a long day, but I'll show you the room. Well, this is the room. I just got cussed out by the lady that runs this joint because I was going to see if we could park the bikes behind the building. But she set me straight, but still got a CRT TV. Got your mobile home panels. But anyway, it's a roof over your head, so that's all that matters, right? I think it's Easter Sunday and she was probably just had enough. So I caught the brunt of it. Alright guys, check this out. This is our hotel view for the day. This is what we woke up to this morning. And yesterday it was in the 70s. So, looks like we got a ride to the bike shop though. This town a little bit behind on Ubers and such. So, but there's a couple other guys on bikes and they hadn't come out yet. So, alright guys, Cody and I found a super cool Honda dealership here in West Virginia that actually came and got us from the hotel when it's snowing. And I thought I'd do a little walkthrough for you guys. They got a bunch of old cool nostalgia bikes in the back and out here too, so check this out. Got an RD, Kawasaki 500, Really nice dealer. They needed some oil, so they hooked us up with that. So they came and picked us up and gonna take us back. So that's awesome. Super dealer here. Shout out to them. It's what is it, Cody? Tri-County Honda here in Petersburg, West Virginia. So if you need some supplies, stop in if you're doing the route. Really good people. Well, heading out this morning in this. Day 2 at the hotel. But we're gonna ride. I think this is just a small cloud left over. It's gonna blow away, but that's a blizzard right there, guys. So we're headed to Great Cacapon, West Virginia tonight. We got a little cabin there, and then the rest of the week the weather looks pretty promising. All right, now I feel better about this, man. You know,
do too. I definitely can see maybe you just can't touch it once you get it working. You cannot mess with it, because if not, you got to stop.
Oh, it works through.
It's gonna be tough.
Yep. Can we go get our motel back? All right, brother. Let's roll out. Can we go with you guys? I said, can we go with you guys? Woo! Ain't that crazy? We like Clemson, South Carolina, right in the corner there, but we hauled to Bristol. We're just doing the BDR, but whew, let me tell you, it's supposed to get better. We had 3 days of perfect 70 degrees, you know, Southern Virginia, but we knew we might be in. Yeah. Have a good one, man. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I need to turn my brightness up if we get somewhere where there's a place
Oh my gosh.
Woo!
I raised my visor up to clear my screen and I got a face full of snow.
It don't take it long neither. It's so weird, man. I would love, my grandmother cooked on one of those, but it was twice that size. We'll look at that old stove. Yeah, sure.
It goes with a story.
Yeah, you got to know the story. If you know the story, that was stove, it won't be the same.